So, we finally got a real look at HELIOS, and honestly, this thing feels less like a robot prototype and more like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the crazy part. Everything about it actually makes sense. This robot was built for space, and the moment you realize that, the design suddenly clicks. Because in microgravity, legs are basically useless. You're not walking around like you do on Earth. You're floating, grabbing, stabilizing yourself, pulling through narrow station corridors. So instead of building another human-shaped robot, just for the sake of it, Orbit gave HELIOS 4 arms. Yeah, 4. Not for looks, for movement. The upper arms can hold position while the lower arms work on tasks. One side can stabilize the robot while the other manipulates cargo or tools. It's honestly one of the smartest humanoid concepts I've seen in a while, and the engineering gets even cooler. HELIOS uses a tendon-driven system, meaning the heavy motors stay closer to the shoulders instead of being packed into every joint. That reduces moving weight and makes the arms smoother and more efficient. Then there's the elbow design, rolling contact joints, basically built for strength and controlled motion without making the robot stiff like a machine from the 90s. And this isn't just some random concept render either. Orbit already built a real operational platform called IKARUS to test teleoperation, autonomous tasks, and fast hardware iteration. According to them, astronauts spend around 35% of their time doing maintenance and repetitive work. Cargo unloading alone can eat up 50 hours. That's insane. So the goal here is simple. Let astronauts focus on science while robots handle the routine work. And the internet reaction has been hilarious. Some people are calling it General Grievous. Others think it looks terrifying. One comment literally said, "Oh my God, it's a space robot." Honestly, fair reaction. Because this really does feel like the beginning of something bigger. Not just another humanoid robot trying to walk around a warehouse, but a machine designed specifically for life beyond Earth. And somehow that makes HELIOS feel way more futuristic than anything we've seen lately.